Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another English stream with unlimited knowledge. My name is Daniel, and today we are talking about weekends. So the weekend is Saturday and Sunday. I want to know, what do you like to do on weekends? Maybe you like to go to a bar on weekends. Or maybe you like to go to bed late on weekends. We're going to learn some words to talk about weekends. So the weekend is Saturday and Sunday, and you can talk about what you like to do on weekends. So the first phrase I want to talk about is to go out on weekends. Going out on weekends means to do something in the evening. So you can go out to a bar, you can go out to the theater, you can go out to a restaurant in the evening or at night. They are going out. They are going out to a bar. To leave your house in the evening. So this can be a place like the cinema or the theater, a bar, a restaurant, or a nightclub. You can say things like, I went out last weekend. I am going out on Saturday. Or I like going out. I like going out to bars. So, did you go out last weekend? I went out last weekend. I went out with my friends. Did you go out last weekend? Do you like going out? I like going out to bars. I like going out to restaurants. I am going out with my friends next weekend. So you can go out, guys, or you can stay in. If you stay in, it means you are not going out. Staying in just means staying at home. So you can stay in on Saturday night. You can stay in and watch a movie. You can stay in and play computer games on weekends. So they are staying in this weekend. It just means to stay at home and not going out. So on the weekend, you can go out or you can stay in. I stayed in last weekend. I'm going to stay in and watch a movie tonight. I'm going to stay in and watch a movie this weekend. I like staying in more than going out. Do you like going out more than staying in? Or do you like staying in more than going out? Did you stay in last weekend? I stayed in on Sunday night. I stayed in and I played games with my friends. Okay, now we're going to learn two phrases for sleeping. The first one I want to talk about is to sleep in. If you sleep in, this means you wake up late or later than usual. So I usually wake up at 7 a.m., but on Saturday, I like to wake up at 8 a.m. On Saturday, I like to sleep in. I wake up later than usual. So he is sleeping in. He wants to wake up later. It means to get out of bed later than usual. Now, because these are phrasal verbs, guys, we need to change the tense. So in the past, we need to say slept in. I slept in this morning. I like to sleep in on weekends. I like to wake up late on weekends. Or I am going to sleep in tomorrow morning. I am going to wake up late tomorrow morning. Now, also, guys, if you want to mention the time when you slept in, you need to use the word until. This is something that you do until you wake up. So you can sleep in until 9 a.m. You can sleep in until 10 a.m. I slept in until 9 a.m. this morning. Did you sleep in this morning? Did you sleep in last weekend? I slept in until 8:30 on Saturday morning. So sleep in is to wake up late, and we have one more phrase, which is stay up. And to stay up is to go to bed later than usual. Last night, I stayed up until 1 a.m. I went to bed late. I stayed up. I stayed up playing computer games with my friends. I like to stay up on Friday night. I like to stay up on Saturday night. So he is staying up. He is staying up playing computer games. Go to bed later than usual. I stayed up last night. And just like sleep in, guys, if you want to mention the time, we have to use until. So I stayed up until 1 a.m. on Saturday. I like staying up on weekends. I like going to bed late on weekends. So, did you stay up last night? Did you stay up last weekend? Do you like staying up on weekends? Okay, so I just want to give you some examples. And with weekends, guys, we have to use the word on. So we can say on weekends, I like to go out with my friends. I like to sleep in on weekends. I stayed up last weekend. I stayed up until 1 a.m. last weekend. So, on weekends, you can go out or you can stay in. On weekends, you can sleep in the morning. You can stay up at night. Also, guys, you can use these words together. You can say things like, I didn't go out on Saturday. I stayed in on Saturday. Or, I slept in this morning because I stayed up last night. I like going out. I like sleeping in on weekends. So, guys, I just want to give you some questions. You can try to answer these questions yourself using what we have learned. So, did you stay in last weekend or did you go out? I went out with my friends to the cinema last weekend. Or I didn't go out, I stayed in and I watched a movie last weekend. When you go out, where do you like to go? When I go out, I like to go to the cinema. When I go out, I like to go to bars. I went out with my friends to a bar last weekend. Do you usually sleep in or stay up on weekends? I usually stay up until 1 a.m. on weekends, and I like to sleep in until 9 a.m. on weekends. Do you like sleeping in and do you like staying up? So, guys, I like to sleep in on Saturday morning because I like to stay up on Friday night. If I go out on Friday night, then I like to sleep in until late because after I go out, I feel tired. Okay, everyone. So I hope you found these words useful. You can use these to talk about your weekend habits. Do you like going out or do you like staying in? Okay, thank you, everybody. I will see you next time. Bye bye, everyone.